Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to select the number of employees in Made in China. So first we're going to click on our browser, then search for Made in China. Then click on the first link that pops up. Then again click on your account on the top right corner. You guys have to sign up for this to work. We have different tutorials for that. Then click on my account. Then click on company info. Then we're going to scroll downwards and click on edit. Then go to the number of employees and select the amount of people you're going to employ. So once you're done, you're going to go downwards and click on save. So this is how you do it. This is an easy step. We also have different videos, different how-to tutorials. So make sure to go and check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.